Hello students, good afternoon. So today we are going to solve problems based on RNS equation. Okay. So yesterday I have explained about RNS equation. Some problems based on that one we are going to solve today. So what is our equation? Can you see here? Board can come. Okay. So RNS equation is what? K is equal to A e power minus A by RT. So according to RNS equation, rate constant is increases as the temperature increases. This point is important. This one, rate according to RNS equation, rate constant it increases as the temperature increases, and rate constant or rate of the reaction increases as the activation energy decreases. Okay, so this equation has given 2 points. What is that? Rate constant increases as the temperature increases, rate constant decreases as the activation energy decreases. Okay, rate constant increases as the activation energy decreases here. This point. Okay, and what is this one? This part e power minus A by RT. This part is called fraction of molecules. This fraction of molecules that have energy greater than activation energy. So when increase in temperature, the fraction of molecules increases. This fraction of molecules are having activation energy greater than they are having energy greater than activation energy. Okay, so this E minus A by RT here. So we can have plot graph here, K versus T. K versus T here. In this graph, see here how the graph is going. The graph is increasing. In temperature increases, this rate constant value increases. But how it is increases? Exponentially. And if you see here K versus EA, the rate constant it is decreases as the activation energy increases. So increase in activation energy, the rate constant is what here? Decreases here. This graph is given here by this equation. Okay. So based on this one, question has asked in 2019 JEE Main. What is that question? Question is this one. Consider the given plots for a reaction obeying RNS equation. The temperature is 0 degree Celsius less than temperature 300 degree Celsius, and in that K is rate constant and activation energy is EA. Okay, so this question is for asked in 2019 JEE Mains. They have given here 4 graphs. Graph A is this one. Log K. K versus EA. The graph is going like this. And second graph, K versus temperature in degree Celsius, and the graph is going like this. Okay. This is first one and this is second one. Here given, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. In that, A is both first and second, B, both first and second are wrong. B, both first and second are correct. And C is first is wrong but first is wrong but second is right. First is wrong but second is right. And D option is first is right but second is wrong. Like this 4 options has given here. First option is what? Both first and second are wrong. Second option is both first and second are correct. Then third option is first is wrong but second is right. And D option is first is right but second is wrong. So in this, which one is the correct option? The second, B option is correct. Both first and second are correct. So K versus EA, the rate constant is decreases. Okay. So as the activation energy increases, rate constant is decreases. And rate constant versus temperature. As the temperature increases, rate constant value is what? Increases. These 2 points are the main points for RNS equation. What is that means here? If we increase the temperature, the rate constant value is also increases, directly proportional. Rate constant is directly proportional to the temperature, and rate constant is directly proportional to temperature, and here rate constant is inversely proportional to the activation energy. So these are the basic concept. From this basic concept only they have made one questions in JMN 2019 graph. So please note down this one. Next we have yesterday we have made from this equation we can write like this also. Yesterday we have log K is equal to log A minus EA by RT. This one we have solved yesterday. One yesterday we have seen this one, log K is equal to log A minus EA by RT. Based on this formula, we can solve many bits. Okay, what are those? Some questions. Just I will tell you about this RNS equation. This one, what is that? Is in RNS equation, the fraction of effective collision is given by. Question they have asked. Second question is now in Arrhenius equation, the fraction of molecule, fraction of effective collision, fraction of effective collision is given by options given here. A, K is equal to A minus EA by RT. B, A given. C, E minus EA by RT, and D, RT. What is the question? In RNS equation, the fraction of effective collision is given by K is equal to AE minus EA by RT, or only A, or only E minus EA by RT or RT. So fraction of effective collision, as I said, this part E minus EA by RT. This part is called fraction of molecules having energy greater than activation energy, and these molecules only undergo effective collision. So that's why this part E minus EA by RT, this is called, these are the fraction of effective collision. So correct option is what we have here. Option C is the correct option. E minus EA by RT. This is the fraction of effective collision in Arrhenius equation. Okay. So, and next we have here what question given. Next question. The rate constant is given by the equation. Next question you will see. The rate constant is given by the equation K is equal to AE minus EA by RT. Okay, this equation. Which factor should be register a decrease for the reaction to proceed more rapidly? Which fraction should register a decrease for the reaction to proceed more rapidly? Okay, and option has given here what? A, temperature, B, rate constant, C, RNS factor, and D is what? Activation energy. So we know that which factor should decrease for the reaction to proceed more rapidly, means from among this which factor if we decrease, the rate of reaction is increases. See here, first option is temperature. Temperature is directly proportional for the rate constant, so this is wrong. Second is what? Rate constant. Here given RNS factor, no. What is here? Activation energy. So if you decrease the activation energy, the rate constant is increases, means here the rate of the reaction is increases. So the D is the correct option. Okay. Next we have a third question. The reaction with low activation energy are always, question given here, the reaction with low activation energy are always what? Options given here: non-spontaneous, B is adiabatic, C fast, and D is what? Low. What is the question? The reaction with low activation energy are always low activation energy are always what? Non-spontaneous, adiabatic, fast or low. As I said, low activation energy means the reaction will be fast. So what is the option here? Fast. So always remember, in the reaction if low activation energy is there, then the reaction is fast. If high activation energy is there, then the reaction is what? Slow. So they can make bit like this way. Next we have a question number 4. A graph plotted between log K versus 1 by T for calculating energy is shown by here 4 graphs are given. A is log K 1 by T. B is here we have log K on y axis, x axis 1 by T. C is log K 1 by T, and D is log K 1 by T. Here and the graph is like this. Okay, 4 graphs are given here, A, B, C, D. In this, what is the question? A graph plotted versus log K versus 1 by T for calculating energy is shown by. Calculating energy. Energy means which energy here? Activation energy. This graph. Yesterday we have plotted for this graph. What is this one? This is Mx, and this is what? CA1. So we have plotted yesterday graph. Same here. This is log K on y axis and x axis 1 by T, and this is what our negative slope minus EA by RT here. So we have got this graph. Our slope was what here? Slope is equal to minus EA divided by 2.303 R, and intercept is what here? Log A. So like this graph, which one we have here in this 4? The second one, B graph. So they can ask graph based on this RNS equation. Graph also they can ask like this way. So 4 graphs. In this, the B1 is correct. Log K versus 1 by T. The slope will be always negative. Okay. Next we have a question. Now we have this formula, log A minus EA by RT minus EA by 2.303 RT. Okay. And based on this formula now we have a question. What is question? Question is this one. The activation energy. The activation energy of a reaction. The activation energy of a reaction at a given temperature is found to be 2.303 RT joule per mole. Okay. The ratio of rate constant, to the Arrhenius factor is. This question has asked in KSET 2011. KSET 2011, this question has asked. What is the question? The activation energy of a reaction at a given temperature is found to be 2.303 RT. Activation energy is given EA, and the ratio of rate constant to the RNS factor is. The ratio of rate constant to the RNS factor is. Options given here. 4 options is given here. What is that? First is option A is 0.02. Option B is 0.01. Option C is 0.001 and D is 0.1. Okay, 4 options as given in that. How to solve this one? So see here, you can see the board this side. And use it. Okay. So here given activation energy is given here. EA is equal to what? It is 2.303 RT. They have asked for the ratio of RMS factor, the ratio of rate constant to the RMS factor. Okay, rate constant is what? K by A. Ratio they have asked. What is the ratio here? So we have this formula here. This one. What is the formula here? Log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Okay. This formula we have here. So in this, just put this log K divided by log A. This log A takes this side and is equal to, what is the value of EA here? 2.303. Just put in this here, RT divided by 2.303 RT. Just cancel out. What we get here? Minus U. Ratio we got here, K by A. How much it is? Minus 1. Minus means what here? 0.1. So 0.1 means which option it is here? We have the D option. The D option is the correct option. Okay. So like this way, based on this formula, how the questions have asked, that I am solving. Okay. In competitive exam, theory exam, they will not ask such type of questions in theory. In theory exam, how they will ask, that also I will solve those problem also. Okay. Next question, see. Next question. The question is, for a first order reaction, for a first order reaction, for a first order reaction, A gives product, the temperature T dependent rate constant K was found to follow the equation log K is equal to minus 2000 1 by T plus 6.0. The pre-exponential factor A and activation energy respectively are Four options given here. A is 1.0 into 10 raised to 6 per second and 9.2 kilojoule per mole. B option 1.0 into 10 raised to 6 and 16.6 kilojoule per mole. Next, C 6.0 per second and 16.6 kilojoule per mole, and D is 1.0 into 10 to the power 6 and 38.3 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so four options are given. What is the question here? The question is too much big, but question it is. For a first order reaction, A gives product. The temperature T dependent, okay, and T rate constant K was found to follow the equation log K is equal to minus 2000 1 by T plus 6.0. The pre-exponential factor A and activation energy respectively are. So they have given here one equation, first order reaction, for first order reactions, equation given here one. Based on that one you have to find out log RNS factor A and activation energy. How to solve this one? See here. We have this, what has given here? Log K is equal to 2000 1 by T plus 6.0. Our equation is there. What is that equation? Log K is equal to log A. One equation we have here. Log K is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 RT plus log A. Another equation we have here, this one. The same equation, if we compare, this is equation 1 and equation 2. Compare these two equations. What we got here? So 2008, see this value, if you take out, and it is 1 by T, I am writing here, okay, and this equation, see, look at this here. So this value and this value, just compare it here, and 6.0 this value and log A this value, compare both the values here. What we will get here? This is minus EA by 2.303. This is minus 2000. This is minus here even. Minus 2A upon 303R is equal to, this is minus 2000 1 by T. Okay. So this 1 by T, just 1 by T here. It is cancelled out. What we will get? Minus minus sign cancel. So EA is equal to 2000 into 2.303 into R value is what? 8.314. So after multiplication we will get here 38.29 kilojoule. This EA we got here. What we got here? EA value. This one. Okay. Now next is log A. Compare this one now. Log A is equal to what we have here? 6. Okay. Log A is equal to 6. Then A is equal to what? 10 raised to 6. A is equal to what here? 10 raised to 6. So we got actuation energy 38.29 and A factor is how much? 10 raised to 6. Which option we have here? D, 1.0 into 10 raised to power 6 and 38.3 kilojoule per mole. This is D1 is correct answer. This question they have asked in IIT JEE 2009. IIT JEE 2009 they have asked this question. So based on RNS equations in competitive exams, how they have asked question in JEE Mains, I have solved two problems here. First is like this, they can ask, just they have given the value, okay, this value they have given here and you have to find out A value and A value. So you should solve like this way. So log K is equal to minus 2001 by T plus 6.0. Our equation write down, RNS equation, log K is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R plus log A. So just compare these two equations. What we can see here, minus EA upon 2.30 R value has given here 2001 by T. 1 by T cancel, minus cancel and EA will get here. And log A value is given 6. So log A is equal to 6. So A will be what? 10 raised to power 6. So our answer is D option is correct option. We got it here. Okay. So next we have somewhat like this only. One more type of how they will ask question. See here, last one. For a first order reaction, the rate constant is given as log 10 K is equal to 10 minus 1.2 into power 4 by T. Find the temperature at which the half-life of reaction is 70 minutes. 70 मिनट, ये 70 मिनट मुझे दे दो. A is 7000 Kelvin, B क्या दिया हुआ है 800 Kelvin, C दिया है 900 Kelvin and D is 1000 Kelvin. Okay, कुछ आइडिया आ रहा है हाउ टू डू? क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? व्हाट इज गिवन इन क्वेश्चन? टी हाफ दिया है, हाउ मच? 70 मिनट. शाहरुख खान के हाँ हॉकी खेलने के लिए चक दे इंडिया नहीं 70 मिनट्स गिवन टी हाफ. नेक्स्ट व्हाट अगेन दिस इक्वेशन हैज गिवन हियर log 10 k is equal to 10 minus 1.2 into 10 raised to power 4 t. Then what we have to find out here? T we have to find out. So we have a half-life given. So what we can find out by using half-life of first order reaction? We have this equation K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half. This formula we have. By using this formula we can find out first K value. Okay. So 0.693 divided by what is given here? 70 minutes. 70. So this 70, 0.693 approximately, just take it here, just 0.70 divided by 70, or we can say here it is 0. Point cancel here, this cancel here, just push 100 So it becomes 70, 70 cancel. What we will get here? 10 raised to minus 2. K value we got 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. This K value just put here in this equation. Got it? So in this equation if you put, what we will get here? So we have this formula, can you see? Yes. So log K value is equal to 10 minus 1.2 into 10 raised to power 4 divided by T. T we have to find it. Log K value how much here? 10 raised to minus 2. Log is equal to 10 minus 1.2 into 10 raised to power 4 by T. Log 10 minus 2. Minus 2 it will come here, and log 10 value it is how much? 1 only. So it is minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 1.2 into 10 raised to power 4 here. So 10 if it will come here, it becomes how much? 12. And then here what we have? 1.2 into 10 raised to power 4 by T. So 2 is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to power 4 by 12. So this if you take out here, it becomes here 10, 12, 12 cancel, and just it will come here, then how much it is? 10 raised to 3. So we got temperature, 10 raised to power 3 means how much here? 1000 Kelvin, and so our option is 1000 Kelvin. The option D is the correct option. Okay. So like this you should solve it here. So they have not given directly rate constant value here. Rate constant value they have not given directly. They have given what? Half-life period. By using that half-life period we should find out first rate constant, and that rate constant value just put in this equation and you can solve it. You will get the answer for the temperature. Temperature they have asked. So this like this they can ask the question based on the RNS equation. In competitive exams they will ask like these questions. Not in theory. Theory they will ask direct questions. How they can ask? I will solve you in next video. Okay. So stay safe at home. Please, if you like my video, so please put the like button and share it. Please watch the videos. Okay. All the students, I am requesting you all. If you have any questions, if you have, please comment it in the comment box. So please put the like button and share the video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Sir. कौन सा बटन बंद नहीं होता सर ये?